Hey, what's up guys, it's Michael back with another tech review video, and today we're going to check out the MICKLE MS-1216BT 12 channel ultra slim mixer. We're going to take a look what's in the box, check its physical overview, features, and do some sound checks using some mic and some instruments. So this will be a very long video, so make sure you check out the description for the timestamp. Without further ado, let's begin. So what did we get in the box? Obviously the mixer itself, the power cable, and the manual. Now let's check out some physical overview. The build is all metal body painted in silver on the sides and black paint on the whole frame. And if you will check out on the bottom, it has 4 rubber feet to keep it in place. It also has air vents on both left and right of the mixer. The knobs and the buttons are made out of plastic and looks fine from afar. However, it is very wobbly and it feels so cheaply made. Well, it's cheap in the first place, so you're getting what you paid for. Now let's check out the features. So this is the on-off switch, it's on the back side, and the power cable input. This is a 12 channel mixer with both XLR and jack input. We also have a gain knob with complete equalizer with high, mid, and low knobs with aux out, pan, and volume control for each channel. The button near the aux is for toggling from aux control or effects. So if you want to use the effects, just push the button down, or for auxiliary, just leave it as it is. And by the way, the only effects that this mixer has is the echo and nothing more. This red volume control is for controlling all the sounds that comes from all channels to the main mix output. As you can see, we have a volume control for USB, and there are several things that you can do with that USB connection. Number 1, it can play music in your USB storage with music files in it. Other than that, it can also record your band's music directly to the USB storage. And it can also be used as an audio interface for your PC, meaning any sound that's coming from your computer could be mixed in this mixer. I was hoping it could also record any sound coming from the mixer itself to the computer. But no matter how hard I try, my PC cannot detect anything coming from this mixer. I tried looking in the manual, but I guess all it can do is just to play back music from your PC. This also has a Bluetooth feature, so if your device has one, you can pair it with this mixer. And over here is the effects control, wherein there is a button that can either decrease or increase the echo effects for each channel. And lastly, over here are basically self-explanatory, so I won't go into details onto that. But if you want to know more detailed information about that, let me know your questions in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer your questions. And something worth mentioning, that this mixer has a zero latency monitoring, and it needs a powered amp amplifier for its main output. So I will be testing this instrument and mix the equalizer accordingly to make it sound its best without post-processing. But first, let's check out some mic tests. This is the sound of the BM800 mic mixed in MICKLE MS-1216FX. And before we do some instrument sound checks, a little disclaimer. I am not a pro musician, I just happen to know how to play the basics. So with that said and done, let's play some instruments. Apparently this is a Chinese brand mixer. I purchased it in September last year and it's being used in a small church setting for 5 months now without any problem. And for that reason, I could recommend this mixer to anybody who's in a budget. As far as I know, this is the cheapest 12-channel mixer with its features by the time we're making this video. So if you're in the budget, I recommend getting this one. But if you think there is a better option than this, please let me know in the comment section below. So that's it guys. If you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up, share it, and if you want some more, simply subscribe, as well as follow our socials down in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next episode.